welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I'm doing a layout for Christmas Inn. And every month we do a Christmas layout on the 25th of the month, and this is a fantastic way to get your Christmas photos scrapped. Either we don't have the time around the Christmas period, or throughout the year you go, oh, I'm just not in the festive mood, I don't want to scrap Christmas. So this is a way of getting your photos done, hopefully before the next Christmas rolls around. Now I have a backlog of Christmases that I haven't scrapped, so I've decided, and actually all my photos, and so I've decided I'm going to start scrapping this year's photos as close to when I take the photo as I can, and then work backwards and see how I go. I'll probably never ever get to all the photos, but that's my current plan now. So these photos are of some Christmas lights we went to see the Christmas just gone, and this is a gorgeous house that they put a phenomenal display on every single year, and it's a bit different every year, so it's worth going and seeing. And it's well known in the area, and there's very packed street, so and along the main street, where it's off the main street, you can't park on the main street, it's a clearway, so it can be very tricky to go and see this house. You've got to pick your day and your time to go see it. So anyway, that is an institution for us to see this house every single year since we've moved here 8 years ago. So that is what I am scrapping. Now I am using the Santa Claus Lane, I believe it is, Santa Claus Lane collection from Echo Park, and I've got a few odd things thrown in as well that I thought I might be able to use. I have embellishment packets here, puffy stickers, all sorts of things. Have no idea what I'm putting where, except for the paper, which I've already pre-cut. So one side I've cut to 5 inches, and that's just the rest of it, and then just a couple of strips to go either side. So I'm going to fast forward now and get on with making the layout, and I'll come back at the end. Okay, enjoy. Okay, there is my completed double page layout for Christmas in January. I could have kept going with embellishments, but I didn't want to overwhelm the page because there's a lot of photos on there, and I really wanted the photos to take center stage, so to speak, whatever the saying is. Anyway, and I've got a little bit of bling, so I wanted to use this heading Believe, and then I came across in my stash these really old, I think I even got them from a $2 shop or a charity shop or something, these candy canes and holly leaves and berries, and I thought, well, why not use them? So then I had sparkle over here as well as over here, and then I added some of the holly leaves, and then I came across wherever this Believe heading was, or where this Believe heading was, there was a tiny packet of leftover gold stars, so I just popped them on, and I'm not even going to add enamel dots. I think that's enough. And my journaling down here is going to talk about this house and how it's known in the peninsula, and it's a must go see every year. That is it for me. So if you've liked this layout and enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.